Hey guys, what's going on? Back again for one last recap of the week today. And as you can see, I was a little bit of an idiot today. I mean, all last night I convinced myself, oh, I'm not going to full port CPI. I'm not going to full port CPI. Literally thought about it all night. I literally could not sleep last night. And I wake up in the morning not wanting to do it. And I get to my computer and I was just like, fuck it. If I lose these accounts, I lose them. I know that's a horrible mindset to have, but I I don't know. It's not that I don't care. It's just that I want to get 100K accounts so I can start risking higher. So I might as well just rinse these accounts right now. And that is exactly what I did. So as you can see here, $3,000 in 12 seconds, which was fucking nerve-wracking. 12 seconds is crazy for a news event. Last time it was 0 seconds for NFP. It was like 0.8. And the time before that it was 2 seconds. So I literally almost had a fucking jammer. I swear to God. Like, I was shaking like a motherfucker this morning. And this shit hit, luckily, because I knew if it didn't, I was going to want to jump off a fucking bridge because I convinced myself all night not to do it. And then I just did it last minute. So, yeah. Traded 3 minis on that. $3,000, which I believe is only like 50 points or something if I'm doing my math right. 12, 18, yeah, 50 points. Nothing crazy. It did go up a little bit more than that, but 50 points plus the 30 so it was total 80 points, but I only caught 50. Go watch my video on how to full port CPI if you don't understand what I'm saying. But other than that, I did take a loss today on the 4 accounts, so we ended 2,500. That leaves us 4,200 in each account. So all I need now, each account you can see is roughly the same. All I need is one more winning day, I believe. Oh no, I believe I need 2 actually, sorry, because this account and this one, no, not that one. This one and this one missed this winning day, and this other account has it, and this account have it, because that was when I was really low on money on those accounts. I had like $2 in them, so I didn't get to trade till Wednesday. So these accounts need 1 winning days. 2 of them need 1 winning day, and the other 2 need 2 winning days. But we are above the payout balance, so hopefully I can just scalp a quick $150 for a couple days and then take another big payout, and I'll be trading this one obviously heavier. But I did take a big win on this account today, actually. Very nice trade of the day in my opinion. But I also did take that loss, so we ended $580 on the day, up $1,000 on this account. And as you can see here, I traded 5 micros, which felt amazing. Like, I made 50 points in like no time, or sorry, $1,000 in like no time. And it felt really nice actually sizing up again. And that is exactly why I want to go into all 100K or 150K accounts, because it's just, you have the extra drawdown to play with, right? 50K accounts get pretty tight, man. Like, $2,000 is not a lot when you're trying to risk heavy. So, yeah, that being said, I'm an idiot for full porting this, but paid off, so it is what it is. That's definitely the last time I'm doing that, other than on an eval. But obviously, like I just said, we had CPI today. Super bullish on the day again today. We had this big ass 4-hour gap here. New York PM high there. New York AM, London high there. And for lows, we had this New York AM, this 4-hour gap, London low, Asia low there. And this is what was important today. If I can find it. A bit too far. I believe it's right here. Okay, so we took out this New York AM low pre-market. It's not gonna check this out, and filled in this gap nicely, right? Got a very nice push up out of CPI that left the data high here. And that left this high here as well. So on the higher time frames, you could call those relative equal highs. They are pretty stacked up. And that also left us data low right here. So, and then this low was pretty close as well here. Believe that was the right day. Yep. So you got this low here, and there's something else I'm missing here. Let me turn on my indicator here. No, maybe not. Oh, it was London highs that got taken out. Oh, I am missing this. Sorry, guys. I'm making this video super late right now. I was dead tired after work. I had to take a nap. I've been working 10, 12-hour days all week in the fucking pouring rain, and it sucked ass. But is what it is. But we did tap into this 4-hour, and that was what I was missing. So we have Asia and data highs right there. Those were the relative equal highs. And coming into market open right here, as you can see, we take out this data low right there. Obviously, we filled this gap. And I actually took a trade. This was the loss. We get this candle inverse right here, right? And I actually entered right on this candle, like right, I would say right about here on this candle, give or take. And that bit me in the ass hardcore. I was just targeting up there, and this took me out right about there. It was about a 1-to-1. My entry might have been a little bit higher. Not 100% sure, but that was the time I entered. That's when I got stopped out. I was just targeting there. It was a 1-to-1. To make 500 and lose 500. And we did get this first IFVG, but obviously this was a very premature entry. We did not close above any of the 1 minutes. We got this 3-minute inversion. That was also another confluence for me. You can see even this one up here, we closed way above that. So we got that, but the thing is we did not inverse the 1 minute. Where am I here? We did not inverse this last 1 minute here. So time frames were not aligned. That one didn't play out. That was a $488 loss. Not a bad trade. We obviously had a liquidity sweep, tapped into a higher time frame gap. 3-minute inversion, equal highs resting right here, especially with the data high too, and it just didn't play out. But now we get into the trade of the day, because I haven't looked at price action. I just locked myself out, but this was definitely the trade of the day. We came down, sweep out all this trend line liquidity here. And I believe there was some sort of session high in here too or something. I don't know why it's not showing up. It might have been like something way previous that I don't have my indicator set for. But I had something marked out on my top step chart that I remember we took this out and we got a super clean reversal. You can see there. 1 minute IFVG, like fucking perfect V shape right there. And I entered right as we closed here. And this, keep in mind, guys, this is only on the 100K count. I was done for the day on the 50Ks. And I took this all the way up to here. Super simple trade. This is A++ for me. This was an awesome trade. The only thing I could have said that would have been better is if this came back down to tap into this gap. It kind of wicked down a little bit, which is good enough for me. So I took the trade. I had my stops a bit wider because I did not want to lose. It was about a 1-to-1. Oh, sorry, it was a 1-to-2. I was risking about 500, give or take. So stops right there, just at the bottom of that gap, and hit TP right there. So this is like my bread and butter setup, guys. Like liquidity sweep, IFEG, V-shape reversal. Especially when you get really nice displacement through the fair value gap. Like that's a really big candle there, right? Like that's almost 100 points on the, like, for 1 minute, which is fucking crazy. So that is my bread and butter. Equal highs resting right here with the data high too. If you didn't take this trade, I don't know what the fuck you're doing. That was, everyone banked on this trade. This was light work. So that was definitely the trade of the day. I kind of chopped around after that. And yeah, that was about it for today. Next week we have pretty slow week actually, now that I look at it, and we kind of just chopped around today. So I'm gonna say don't trade Monday. I might just try to get a $150 winning day, but it is, if I turn my filter on for this, it is a bank holiday on Monday. Here in Canada, it's Family Day, I believe, for some bullshit. I don't know. In the States, it's George Washington Day, I think. So it is a bank holiday, so keep that in mind. If you guys are trading Monday, price very well is going to be shit. So if I trade, I'm just going to try to scalp $150. Just try to get that winning day so I can hopefully have the money in my account if I take a payout for Friday, hopefully. But I'm not going to rush it. If there's nothing, there's nothing. Trading hours will be changed. I believe, I don't know. I think 11:45 Central Time is usually when platforms won't let you trade anymore until Asia session. So I believe we only get New York AM. I don't know if we get New York lunch. I don't think so. I think we just get New York AM tomorrow till whatever it is, 9. I want to say, we might get New York lunch at 9 o'clock or 9:45. I believe Central Time's 3 hours ahead of me, so we might get 3 hours of good trading. I'm not 100% sure. I gotta look into it more, guys, but keep that in mind if you're trading on firms. Most of them are going to close early on bank holidays, and price is going to be shit, especially since today was so choppy, right? So keep that in mind. After that, FOMC Wednesday, so Tuesday should be pretty fucking choppy and shit. Thursday will be good. Friday will be really good. Lots of news on Friday, so definitely towards the tail end of the week is going to be better. First 2 days are going to suck ass, so just keep that in mind. If I do trade Monday, I don't even know if I'll make a video on it. Depends if it's a setup worth explaining, but I might just be trying to scalp $150. So if it's just a quick scalp, I'll just add it into the next video the next day. So that being said, I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hope you guys enjoy your long weekend, and don't fry your accounts on Monday. It's never good to fry your accounts on a bank holiday and then have to go back to work the next day. Been there, done that. Don't do it. Won't advise you to do that. So that being said, guys, I'll end the video here. Hope you guys all enjoyed. If you did, hit the like and subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next one.